Hey guys, this is my Sunday second wave bike check. Anyways. Starting from the top, we got the ODI grips with the Odyssey power ends. And then we got the shadow bars. 9 Rise, I love them right now. We got the Profile acoustic stem. Blue, I got it off a friend because I traded my shadow one that I had. It was an ugly green. We got the FSA headset. Had it for a while now. Still going strong. We got the Odyssey Director forks. I got them on sale on Dancecomp. $100. Alright, the pegs. These pegs are just random pegs I found in my garage. Don't even know what they are. I think they're just stock pegs. The front wheel is a Cinema 333. Has a broken spoke, but it's not really stopping me that much. And then we got the Shadow Overtaker tire in 225. Going towards the middle, we got the Shadow Crow pivotal seat with an animal wedge post. The seat's kind of ripping, but it's a seat. In the middle, we got the Ezra Geist cranks. Had them for like the longest time now. I love them too. And I got the Shadow Ravager pedals. I'm going to be ordering Animal BPEs since these ones are pretty much the pins are all gone. And then we got the stolen Eternity Ring chain wheel. I'm ordering a Profile one soon, so it goes with the rest of the blue stuff that I have. And then we got just a KMC half link in like silverish. I love it. I like it over my Shadow that I had. And just a regular stock bottom bracket. In the back, got the Shadow Overtaker tire again, with an Odyssey peg and a Prima drive side hub guard. And then the back wheels, an Odyssey Hazard lace to a Primo mix hub. Absolutely in love with it. Alright, that's pretty much it.